Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is such a new type of video. So I finally decided that I'm going to vlog, and today I woke up. So basically I have a shoot today and I decided I'll vlog the entire experience and show you like BTS and like how my day goes, how I prepare for it. So yeah, let's see how much of it I can cover in this vlog because I do have to be the model as well. But right now I'm at home and this is probably the first time all of you are seeing my house except that wall over there, which I use to film my sit down videos. So you can see that there's a painting and I've just covered it with chart paper actually. I plan on actually painting that wall, but I'm just not getting to it right now. But anyway, I have to head out to my shoot in like 45 minutes right now, so I thought I'll just show you how I get ready. I've just done my own makeup today. It's a moody portrait shoot, not a commercial shoot for a brand today. And so I just did my own makeup. They just wanted really minimal makeup, and my hair is going to get done over there at the location. Alright, so this is my bed right now. It's messy, I know. So what I've done is I emptied all the basics that I'll need for my makeup to do any touch-ups into this small pouch from Chumbak. I've shown it in one of my previous videos. We have our mask to put on, and then we have my Kindle, the outfits, I've packed it all, and we have some wipes and some innerwear to go with the outfits. I'm really new to vlogging, so if my hand is shaky, please understand. This is my first vlog. So that is the bag that I'm carrying, and I just thought I'll show you like what essentials you carry. So my own outfits. I don't go anywhere without my Kindle because that is something I do on shoots. I read whenever I have to say take a break or have to wait for something. I don't know if I'll be able to use it today. And also I'll be carrying the camera bag for this camera that I'm using to vlog right now. And one other thing, so I just thought I'll show you guys this before I head out. That is this Celeb Shine body luminizer. So some of you had asked me in the comments on my other videos, pageant related videos on my channel, on how I get my skin to look so shiny or smooth all the time. So actually there's a trick, guys. I mean, nobody is shining all the time. You can either use highlight. So what I do is, say when I'm wearing some top like this, so now I want my shoulders to look really shiny and my skin to look all like, yeah, really healthy glowy skin. So this is what I use, and I'll just show it to you right now. So it's a shimmery kind of moisturizer and it smells amazing like honey. And I know it looks yellowish right now, but just wait for it. Do you see that glow? Like, I just put on that luminizer. You see that sheen when light reflects off of it? So that is what I'm talking about. So yeah, that is all for now. Now I'm just going to show you. I had a breakfast in the morning, but I'm the kind of person who eats in intervals. So right now I'm just going to have my coffee. I'm actually skipping my lunch right now, and I have coffee and I have some figs cut up here. So I'm just going to do that, finish eating quickly and book a cab and reach the location, and I'll see you guys there. I know I told you guys I'll see you at the location, but I was just having my breakfast now, and today is Sunday, by the way. It's the 20th of September, and I'm just going through the comments of you guys on my video that I just uploaded, the Miss Diva video, and a lot of you like my outfit, so thank you so much. And I just thought I'd read out some of the comments in this vlog. So Om Mahajan loved the video, and he thinks, or she thinks, Miss Diva should be harder because you're gonna represent India at the biggest pageant. I don't think it's harder. They're equally hard. I mean, I don't agree with this comment. Then there are some other videos. Subitsha, I'm sorry if I'm pronouncing your name wrong. Subitsha Selvaraj has commented that I waited long for this video. I know, you guys, like, I wasn't covering any information about Miss Diva, and I was like there's a 50-50 participation ratio when it comes to Miss India and Miss Diva, and I did have to make this video. It's just that I was collecting all the information and I wanted to be very sure that everything I say is correct. I can't give you guys the wrong information or facts. So it just took me a while because I didn't participate in Diva. So just like you, I also had a few questions of what goes on. So I did all my research, and after that I made the video. Bhumika Joshi also left a really nice comment. Lovely thumbnail also. Thank you so much. Trust me, it looks like I wouldn't have put thought into thumbnail, but that's a whole different thing that I have to do. Like the video is done, but then at the same time I have to prepare a thumbnail, because if I didn't pose for the thumbnail while filming, so then I don't have one. So that's a whole thing. Sanjana Nuguri said, "You're looking so pretty." So thank you, Sanjana. Anushka Jichkar said, "You are my inspiration." Thank you for another video. Thank you so much, Anushka, if you're watching this. I love every single one of you. I mean, it makes me so happy that I'm able to help all these girls. And every time I think about these things, I just think I was this girl. And I so understand what you are going through, the curiosity, the lack of information, the questions that you have in your mind, especially at that age. Like, there's so much confusion. So yeah, that's why my videos are there, guys. I mean, I don't want anybody to just, you know, waste time of their life, waste years sometimes, just because they didn't know ki karna kaise hai. I get it, like not everyone has this, you know, exposure to this field, and not everybody has friends. I've been very lucky, and so I want to share that information with you guys as well. Excuse me. Now I just have 30 minutes before I have to reach the location, so I'm quickly going to pause this clip right here, and I'll see you guys at the location or wherever next. Reached the place. Hi! You're in the vlog now.
Sorry.
What? Why? This is Shakti.
Hey, hi guys.
Thought I'd show you guys the OOTD. Excuse the lighting. I think from here you can. I can do this. Yeah. Over here we have Hashmeet. Hi Hashmeet. She'll be doing my hair today. Hi. So we're just setting up right now. We were waiting for Hashmeet, and it started raining today, so we'll be shooting indoors for sure now. And yeah, right now you'll be seeing the process of how my hair goes from here to. What are we doing today, Hashmeet? What is the hair look called?
Messy texture curls.
Okay, cool. Okay, so I'm going to get curls, and a messy one, like not like a pageant curl. So yeah, you guys will see the process. So the hair is finally done, guys. I love this so much, and Hashmeet did this. And how much time did we take? 45 minutes. That's so quick. So yeah, I really love this, and now I'll get into the outfit and we'll start shooting, so you guys will see the BTS. So I think my makeup is done. I am in love with the hair, and this is the outfit. It's a very small polka dot. You guys must have seen it on my Instagram already actually. So we'll just get to shooting in 5 minutes. guys saw the first look BTS, we just finished with that, and then I changed into this pink outfit. I've actually worn it in one of my previous YouTube videos, so you guys may have recognized it. And these curls are still staying strong, and that never happens. My hair is so straight. I mean, curls never stay in my hair. So damn, really impressive, Hashmeet. Thank you so much. Hashmeet has left, by the way, and I was in the middle of a shoot, so we couldn't get to say bye to her. But yeah, I'm really impressed with these curls, Hashmeet. Really liking them. And I wish my hair was permanently like this. But you know, those things like people who have straight hair want curly hair and vice versa. Yeah, I wish I had curly hair, guys. Really did. Because with straight hair, it flattens down so much. And I think we're about to start shooting again in this look, so I'll just keep you guys somewhere so that you guys can see the BTS. Wow. Alright guys, so that was the BTS of the vlog, and this is almost the end of the day. We're done with the shoot and we'll just hang out for a bit and then I'll be going home. But I'm ending the vlog here and I'll be putting the pictures. That is what happened as a result of the shoot at the end of the vlog. So let me know how you like the pictures. If you there are people laughing outside. If you liked this type of vlog and if you want me to do more such vlogs, I would love to know that. It's a very new type of video that I filmed today, so yeah, I would really like to get your feedback on that. And I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys very soon in my next video. Bye bye.